Hello and welcome to To Do Tuesday. This is Deb from Kitchen to Shelf. That's kitchen and the number 2shelf.com, what you need to know to grow. So it's hard to believe it's the day after Labor Day, but here we are at the official end of summer. So as we're moving forward to fall and winter, we've been talking about how do you get trial for your product now that you can't do like this lovely woman is doing on the cover of the To Do Tuesday and have people just kind of try your product. So we had some different ideas that went out, and one of the ideas that came back and we thought of was actually doing single serve items or also sample size items. So for your to do for Tuesday, it's to go through and see if this might be a way for you to get trial for your product. So there's things that you're going to need to consider. First of all, does your product lend itself to doing a single serve or a taste size? Will that work for your product? For some, it's feasible. For others, not so much. Number two, what about the cost and the packaging? So do you have packaging that would work for this at this time, or would you have to go invest in a whole new set of packaging? And then what is the cost on that? Is it cost prohibitive or not? So first looking at does it work and the cost of packaging. The third thing that you are going to want to look at is distribution. Do you have ways of distributing your product out there so that the clients and customers can find it, right? So do you work with a small retailer that can put something, a sample size up at the register, with a product that they can buy? Do you, can you use this at your farmers markets, right? Some of them you can, some of them you can't use it at the farmers market. The other thing is, do you have other places that you might be able to put up these trial sizes? So like, do you work with wineries or other like hotels or something that can put those little sample sizes or single servings out there for people to try? There's also, and we'll talk about this more later, there's places that do kind of the boxes. So basically the taste boxes. So they send out samples. So would those work for you? So that's your to-do for this Tuesday, to see if creating a sample or single serving size will work for your product. So this is Deb from Kitchen to Shelf. That's kitchen and the number 2shelf.com, what you need to know to grow. Talk to you next week.